The RedMagic 11 Air is set to debut in China on January 20th. The handset features a curved rear transparent panel with an RGB logo and a triple camera setup. The phone will be offered in Aurora Silver, Stardust White, and Quantum Black. It is said to measure 7.85 mm in thickness. The device will be featuring an overall boxy design with a flat display, flat rear, and flat side panels, slightly rounded corners. RedMagic 11 Air will feature a 6.85-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It will also offer a 95.1% screen-to-body ratio, an under-display selfie camera, 2592 Hz PWM dimming, and 1.25 mm thin bezels. The RedMagic 11 Air's rear camera setup has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, enabled by a 16-megapixel under-display front camera. The RedMagic 11 Air uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, as confirmed by a Geekbench run of a device with the model number NX799J. Its topmost variant may offer a 24GB plus 1TB configuration. The phone will run Android 16. Battery capacity of 6,780 mAh, which could be marketed as a 7,000 mAh typical battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.